Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can check or view the model of your GPU on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. Now guys, checking your GPU model is actually very easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, I want you to press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. And after that, a small run window will appear. So here, just type DXDiag. Then press Enter. Once you do that, the DirectX Diagnostic Tool will open. This is where you can view detailed information about your computer. As you can see, in the System tab, you'll find information like your CPU model, RAM, and other system specs. But if you want to check your GPU, you'll have to click on the Display tab at the top. So basically, this display section is where you can check your GPU model and other graphics details of your computer. So just look right here and you'll see the name of your GPU. And not only that, but you'll also see additional details like display memory, VRAM, driver version, and more useful information about your graphics card. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.